I wanted to build an app with AI, publish it, and understand how it could make money. But at first, I thought it was going to be complicated. Normally, when people talk about building apps, they make it sound like you need coding, design skills, app store knowledge, and a lot of money. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I created an app from zero using Base 44 without coding a single line. The app I created is called StudyFlow AI. It is a study planner app for students. Students can add their subjects, homework, exams, and study time, and the app helps them create a study plan. And the idea is not only to build the app, the idea is also to add a pro version so the app has a way to make money. For example, if the pro version costs $4.99 per month and the app gets 100 paid users, that could be around $424 per month after platform fees. With 500 paid users, that could be around $2,120 per month. And with 1,000 paid users, that could be around $4,241 per month. Of course, this is not guaranteed money, but it shows how the model works. You create a useful app, add free features, add pro features, publish it, and let users upgrade if they want more. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to try Base 44. So, let's build the app in 3 steps. Step 1. Choose the app idea. Before creating anything, we need a good idea. A lot of beginners say, I want to make an app, but they don't think about the problem the app solves. For this tutorial, I chose a study planner app for students. I chose this because students always need help organizing homework, exams, projects, subjects, and study time. So this app solves a real problem. Free version can help students organize their basic tasks, and the pro version can include better tools like unlimited AI study plans, smart reminders, progress tracking, PDF export, and personalized study tips. That gives people a reason to pay. Now I go to Base 44, and inside the chat, I paste the main prompt. Here is the prompt. Create a mobile-first study planner app for students called StudyFlow AI. The app should help students organize classes, homework, exams, study sessions, and daily tasks. Make it feel like a real Android app. Clean, modern, fast, simple, and beginner-friendly. Students should be able to enter subjects, assignments, exam dates, and available study time. Then the app should generate a personalized study plan that tells them what to study each day. Create these pages: welcome page, student dashboard, add subjects page, assignments and exams page, AI study plan generator, study timer page, progress page, and premium upgrade page. The welcome page should have the app name StudyFlow AI, the headline Plan Smarter, Study Better, and buttons for Get Started and Login. The dashboard should show today's study tasks, upcoming exams, pending assignments, weekly progress, and a motivational message. After I paste this prompt, Base 44 starts creating the first version of the app. And this is the cool part. I'm not coding, I'm not designing every screen manually, I'm just explaining what I want, and the AI builds the app. Step 2. Test the app and improve it. Now that the first version is ready, we need to test it. Because even if the app looks good, we need to see if it actually works. So first, I open the preview. I check the welcome page to make sure the app looks clean and professional. Then I check the dashboard to see if the student can quickly understand what they need to do today. After that, I test the subjects page, the assignments page, the AI study plan generator, the study timer, the progress page, and the premium page. As you can see, I like the result because the app already has different pages, it is easy to use, and it feels good on a phone. But before publishing, we need to check if the app is ready. Inside Base 44, I can use the app check option. The first time I checked it, the result was not ready. And that is normal. That does not mean the app is bad. It just means there are things to fix. So I let Base 44 fix the issues. Then I check again. The second result says, needs improvement. So we are closer, but not done yet. Then I repeat the process one more time. I ask Base 44 to fix the remaining problems and prepare the app for the store. Then I check again, and now the result says, ready. Now the app looks better, works better, and is ready for the next step. Step 3. Publish the app and add the Pro plan. Now that the app says ready, I go to the Publish section. Then I go to the Mobile app option. This is where Base 44 gives me options to prepare the app for Android or iOS. Depending on your account, you may need to upgrade to access the store publishing files. And if you are serious about building apps, this can be a good investment because it lets you test your idea with real users. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to try it. Now, before publishing, I want the app to have a clear Pro plan. The basic version is already useful. Students can organize tasks, subjects, exams, and study time. But the Pro version can give them more tools. So I use this prompt. Add a Pro upgrade system to my StudyFlow AI app. Create a premium page where students can choose between 2 yearly plans. One plan should be StudyFlow Pro for Android. The second plan should be StudyFlow Pro for iOS. Both plans should be paid once and give access for 1 full year. Make it clear that users pay once and unlock Pro features for 12 months. The Pro features should include unlimited AI study plans, smart exam reminders, advanced progress tracking, weekly study reports, PDF export, personalized study tips, and priority access to new features. Show 2 clean pricing cards, one for Android and one for iOS. Add buttons that say Get Android Pro and Get iOS Pro. Add small text that says 1 payment, full year access. Also add a free versus pro comparison section. For now, make the payment buttons placeholders. When users click the button, show a message that says, Payment system will be connected soon. This plan gives you 1 full year of Pro access. Now, the app feels more like a real product. It has a free version, it has a Pro version, and it can be prepared for Android or iOS. And again, this does not mean the app will automatically make money. But now you have the structure. You build something useful, you add premium features, you publish it, and then you test if users want to upgrade. So that is how I built an app with AI using Base 44. I started with one idea, created the app with a prompt, improved it with AI, checked if it was ready, added a Pro plan, and prepared it for publishing. And the best part is that I didn't code a single line. So let's recap. Number 1, choose an app idea and think about why someone would pay for it. Number 2, use Base 44 to create and improve the app. Number 3, check if the app is ready, add the Pro plan, and prepare it for the store. If you want to try Base 44, I'll leave the link in the description. And now comment below, what app idea would you build with AI? If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.